We are in essence a plastic injection molding manufacturer, tier 1 to the automotive business. So in the process of melting all sorts of compounded plastics, you have to use big tools into which you inject the melted plastic at high temperatures, and the water is actually used to cool down the molds that are utilized to make these parts. Otherwise they get too hot and you can't get quality on these parts. So the water is used for cooling down tools and cooling down machines in our business. It's an integral part of our manufacturing process. Without that, the factory can't operate. After our business decision, we collaborated with the CDC and embarked on the phase 1 of our rainwater harvesting system that will assist our sustainability into the future and hence reduce our dependency on municipal portable water and ensure that operations can happen uninterrupted and without any quality issues on the water lines. So we have 36 tanks installed, each 5,000 litres water capacity, so that's 185 kilolitres of water capacity, which is, as we sit here, still 100% full, despite being used every day. We installed the tanks in June this year, 2021, and since then we've managed to sustainably run about 90% of the time on the water from these tanks. We saved in estimate of about 200,000 litres of water, 200 kilolitres of water so far for the last 5-6 months. The water harvesting project is not about saving money. Water is still although it's a scarce commodity, it's relatively affordable. It's about managing the risk and being environmentally responsible. So this rainwater harvesting project has saved us a bit of money, cost us a little bit to invest, but has certainly helped us to, in the last 5-6 months, to secure the operations despite any water challenges that we had in the area, and made us really environmentally friendly and sustainable for the future.
Yes, so with the Eastern Cape suffering such a severe prolonged drought, the efforts to conserve water are of utmost importance, and of course coupled with the deteriorating infrastructure of our municipality, it is essential that one does get off the grid and be able to be self-sustaining in terms of water resource use. So the CDC recognises the efforts put in by Q-Plas as environmental best practice, and that is towards the sustainable reuse of a natural resource.